Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Lance, aka Moto Bro, and look at all the people we got outside right now. You say what? Oh, the banana. It's zoomed in right now. But yeah, we're about to have some flipping fun outside today. Yeah, the bars are. Hey, it's a Chinese bike, man. Bro, look. Hey, you got full gas. Yeah, that's crazy.
I made your bike full again. Hey, you put gas on it, bro. It's over full, bro.
Yo, you're chilling, taking a nap. Oh god. Yo, look at everyone behind us. Dude, we're just squat deep right now, dude. Holy moly. And we got the Zumba. Woohoo! That backfire crazy, bro. I felt it in my soul. Oh lord. Dude, I get nervous. I get nervous when there's so many people because, and it's wet out and you just never know what can happen, bro. Bro, see what I'm saying, bro? People just, whoa! That was crazy. You're sliding in the wheelie, bro. Oh my gosh. That got sketchy. Bro, in that wheelie, I felt my wheel slide into the right. I'm like, oh no, oh no. That is not good. Look at everyone, all the quads. Woo! Bro, he's too smooth with that thing, dog. Too smooth. Going crazy, dude. God damn. Bro, they're like getting so close to each other. It's ridiculous. Say what? You got it. Oh yeah. And that thing got a lot of power. It's like at the top, it's just getting. Yeah. Everyone's stopping and we're trying to talk. Ah. Hey, you got it. It's so hard to hear people when they're talking because I got my goddamn full face on. Yeah. Yo, look at him. Yes, sir. What is he talking about? He said, I need the balance. Bro, you got no brake, no foot brake right now. This is all balance right here. Yeah. Yes, sir. That was freaking dope. So he has no handbrake on that, so he's just all balanced when he's doing that. Hey, that was some good balance right there. What are you talking about? Huh? I said you balanced it right there.
Yeah, I know how to
so good. Maybe I interpreted what he said wrong, but I thought he was saying he didn't know how to balance it that good. Look at him. Yes, sir. The clean Kawasaki. Yes, sir. Yeah. Ooh, that's a lot of smoke. Yeah. the Banshee. Ah! Close, close. Let's go. Much love, bro. Like I said, dude, it's good vibes. Everyone, like, it's not no competition. Everyone's just trying to have fun, practice on their dirt bikes. And that's my favorite part. Like, yeah, it's fun seeing like some intense battles, but like, I'm here for the good vibes, bro. On the real. Shout out the 150, bro, holding its own, dude. Gosh, my wrist is so tired, bro, from hitting that lap. Let's go. Let's go. Both the homies outside right now. Woo! Yo! Oh my God! You'll see the lightning too. That was nuts. Bro, that swerve though, woo! That had my jitters going. Bro, that swerve had my heart beating, bro. I was, oh, shit. And you're close to the sand, bro. Bro knows what he's doing though. Holy smokes. That was intense, dog. Let's see that 90 work. Yes, sir. Oh, I lost it. What? Ah. Hey! Isn't it new? Isn't it new?
But it's missing a screw on the battery.
Oh.
Like not getting full potential.
Damn. We're gonna have to get a new screw on that battery. Hey, 150. Let's go. You got some smoke for me?
Nah, I got it.
You say what?
Oh boy, got the smoke.
Okay, okay. Yeah. Damn, clean 150, bro. Yes, sir. Ah! I think I scared him a little bit. I get scared when people are next to me, bro. Because sometimes you hit like an accidental swerve. And you do not want to be in that corner when you hit the swerve. Hey, what year is that one? Damn. Shit looks clean, bro. Hey, what year do you think mine is? From the looks, just from the looks. 2006? Yeah. Oh, it's 2018.
2018?
Yeah, it's 18. It's a little rough, just the plastics, you know? Bro, homie said my bike looks like a 2006, dog. Oh, Lord, dude. What am I doing with my bikes? What am I doing? Ah! Money! He's back on a quad, bro. Homie just goes back and forth from quad to dirt bike. It don't matter. Any bike game. The boy Alexis Yanni is any bike game. And he has like flip-flops. He has flip-flops on the bottom of the quad, bro. Like oh my gosh. Yeah, I gotta be careful today, bro. People are going everywhere. People are going everywhere. It don't matter. Boy, drifting in the rain. Yes, sir. Clean the camera off real quick. Back to freaking base, bro. Try to get out of this rain real quick, bro. Alrighty, gang, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Remember, stay motivated, stay disciplined. I freaking love you. Till next time. Peace.